It's the Midday Cruising Cafe with Casey Hackett. Hey, got the car, huh? We're serving up Rialto's Pilot Quest.
It has the same VIN tag. Yeah, pull that. Yeah, because there's more now in the
Doing a little TikTok live.
Oh yeah, come check it out.
a little reminder on car shows, cruise nights, look at the don't touch, careful around those beautiful lights out there. Want to keep her out for a while. I know a lot of people out there staying miles and miles and miles and miles. We have folks in here from Tooele. We have some from Linden. We have some from the Idaho area, Brigham City. Speaking of Brigham City area, and we have someone out there, Northern Graffiti Cruise Night. They have twice a month, and Mr. Jolly is out there, and nice enough to make some kids smile. So if you have a little kid out there and you got Hot Wheels, go see Michael Jolly Goodfellow, or Cheyenne, I understand, is going to be helping out, give away some Hot Wheels. Courtesy of Northern Utah Graffiti Cruise Night.